Alright, this is a Divine Feminine reading. And we have Little Baby, Young Thug, We Should. Somebody just snatched my little dog. He burnt out. A Honda Civic. We should start a group. Whenever I ain't around, they talking flaw. They look at me like I'm a god. Don't ask me about such and such. I don't speak about no charge. I don't condone and robbing. 111. Wow. I know bitches trying to get next to a nigga because of his digits. 7 of Pentacles. Wow. My dog just lost his dog to the system. I can't tell him nothing negative, so I told him he gonna look up. 8 of Wands. All my niggas leaving me. That shit got me depressed. But he on the yard with the old dogs. OGs of the yard doing wreck. This shit some bullshit, but I just play it. I play it how it's played. Blood diamonds, Africa. Started off with a penny, now racked up to $1 million. Judgment. Whenever I ain't around, they talking flaw, so I had to fall back. This fell out on the Chariot. Four of Pentacles. We got Ghana Poochie gown. I actually looked that up, and that's it's like a dress, like a flowy dress. I was curious to see what a Poochie gown is. Poochie gown ready to get piped down. Okay, so the wealthy man in reverse flew on this Chariot. You way too turned up. You ain't got no kids or a spouse. 7-11 could be significant. 7-11, 18. Niggas telling fibs. With the Queen of Cups here and then the mature woman. Uncle Phil. Philadelphia. Bel Air. From Philly to Bel Air. Will. Ready to get piped down. Okay, as I was saying. Alright, we got Kodak Black, Calling My Spirit. I feel like somebody was trying to swap out someone's destiny, divine feminine. It's either your mother, a baby mother, or the divine masculine's mother. It's a mother figure is in this somehow. That's the blockage. He get on my nerves. He made me sick and get away. So honestly, I feel like this is your mother that's like being a blockage. I feel like somebody is trying to block a union between this king, like the divine feminine, and the King of Pentacles energy. And I feel like this mother, or your mother, his mother, a baby mother, somehow, something, 111. So I feel like it's his mother. They wanted to keep this person to themselves. Like somebody wanted you to go ahead and get married, so this person would have no choice but to like move on or leave you alone. Trying to hold back community so you won't talk to this person, or so this person wouldn't reach out to you, because you got the Four of Pentacles, the bad health, a Page of Wands, and concern. So I feel like this man is like concerned, I guess, and he's trying to reach out. You want to know what I'm getting? I feel like somebody's writing like false letters, or maybe somebody's sending like messages to somebody, but it's like lies. It's not, it's like you got to sell your soul for them to pay attention. So somebody's trying to reach out to you. I had to get down with that chrome just so these niggas will see that I'm serious. So somebody's trying to reach out to you, and I think it's like, the more somebody tries to stop it or block it, the more this person keeps pushing it and trying to come, like, keep sending out communication. So it could be this person could just be lying to their son, saying like, oh, this person is married, this person is this, to like keep y'all separate, but it's not working. Like, the more they do it, the more this person wants to reach out and communicate. I feel like whatever, because with the bad health card, it's a woman here, like she's reading something to this person. I feel like whatever it is that she's reading, whatever it was that was supposed to disappoint this person or turn this person away, is raising even more of a concern. I feel like this person isn't buying it. (31 to 33). It could have been two. This could be going on for 2 years. Could be trying to keep somebody wants to keep the money in the so if this person has money, this mother or whoever this person is wants to keep the money in the family. We got Black Youngster, drug lord. He said, my mama know I sell drugs. He stashes shit at his auntie house. Like, this is somebody with money. In my grandma's house, like the women, it could be the women in his family that's trying to, yeah, I said it was all of that, yeah. So the women in his family isn't of high honor, because the high honor is in reverse. They don't want this man to be in a relationship. I feel like they feel like it's gonna, I guess, cut into whatever they have going on. 15 plus 6 is 21. Yeah, so it could be a mother and lovers. It's like a group of people. This man could be surrounded by a whole or have a bunch of women he take care of or care for. And I feel like if this man comes towards you and if y'all link together, these people aren't gonna be able, I guess, to have control over some money or something like that. Sudden wealth. Yeah, because like this man plants seeds in the women that's around him. This money or whatever, he wants something to grow with these people. And I feel like if Yeah, the seven of pentacles, and I just said it be 6 people, and I feel like with you, he hasn't planted anything into you because it's just this one pentacle that's left out, and he's disappointed in the pentacles. Well, I ain't gonna say disappointed, but he's looking at everything he's built with it. I don't think he's happy. Get that garbage out of here. Yeah, you see that? How he looking at it is garbage. I guess whatever the money he gave them to invest to see how it grow, he's not happy with what the outcome of it is. NBA young boy all in. I feel like he was all in with these people. I guess he invested with that could be the concern. He maybe he did listen to these people and he invested all this money into these people, and he's not happy with what he invested in, and whatever he got left is what he's thinking about bringing towards you, but they don't even want him to give that to you. They want all of it.